How to delete HelloTalk account. Open the HelloTalk application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the Me icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. You can access your HelloTalk profile over here. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at top. Now you can access the settings. Tap on the option Account. Tap on the option Delete Account that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Delete Account again. You can see the information regarding account deletion. Read these informations carefully. Tap on the option Request Deletion. Select the reason. Tap on the option Confirm Deletion. Before deleting your account, make sure your account meets the following conditions. You can see the conditions written in the screen. Read these. Tap on the option Agree. Tap on the option Confirm. Tap on the option Confirm Deletion. You can see the warning Confirm again. Tap on the option Confirm. Now your account will be deleted. Like this, you can delete HelloTalk account. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.